That's right. Chilly out here this morning. Come on, Tux. Come on, bud. Let's go. There you are. Have to holler for Morris. I don't see him. We're going to have about a 30-degree temperature spread today. It's chilly out here right now, but it's going to get close to 80 later. And you wouldn't want to be out here without a jacket right now. Morris! Morris! He'll show up in a minute. Hey guys. Motorcycles off in the distance first thing. Oh joy. It is a gorgeous morning. I guess somebody over that way's working on something. Might be grinding up a tree. It's hard to say if that's something from the steel business or it's a tree service. Hard to say. These guys never leave any of the chicken. They really like the chicken. You come get your bowl, okay? You don't have to share bowls with her. She won't leave you much. Johnny just sent the address of where we're headed to Jules from his phone. That's awesome. We're headed to the NC State open house today. More information on the School of Engineering. Oh wow, here comes our white Model X. Yeah. But we're not in Ruby this morning.
And they're oblivious.
Yep, I don't even think they didn't really see. Oh well. Probably they need more coffee. And I have my brand new Michelle gave to me Loungefly Hocus Pocus pocketbook. I am so excited to have my little black cat traveling with me.
It's no longer part of the equation. She turns it gray. Alright, so here comes a car, and now that she might move forward now.
Yeah, I was gonna say, wow, I considered her ready to go right then, and wow, she did also. So that was good.
That was human-like.
That was good.
That was really good.
So we're here turning in front of the Taekwondo school. You know, the normal route out of town up 401.
Yeah. So an unprotected red, a right turn on red. That right there was a realistic traffic scenario. I mean, that's happens all the time. That's normal.
Yep.
It's not the busiest ever, but it's not easy. That was, you know, this is people out moving around on a Saturday morning. There's plenty of cars out here, trust me. And so she made that perfect. I was very, very impressed.
Yep. So I'd have to say that Jules has been doing a really good job this morning, so we got to give the car credit when credit's due. And we are here at Centennial Campus and following the directions to whatever building we're supposed to be at. We've got 10 minutes until the session we wanted to go to starts, so
I'll drop y'all off and then I'll go park and then I'll find you.
Okay. Yeah, so years ago Don and I did an EV lunch thing, and here's where we were. We were parked on these bricks right here. We're supposed to be at the library, and we're thinking this big building in front of us is probably the library. So I guess it doesn't matter we didn't walk this morning, because there was plenty of walking on campus today. Wow, so much to take in today. This is NC State's subsonic wind tunnel. They moved the ultrasonic wind tunnel off campus because it was too noisy and it was disrupting class. It is just awesome stuff today. I don't know that there's anybody here to talk to us about it today, but that's the NC State solar car, and you can just sort of see solar panels on the roof. These are prior year Baja SAE, Formula SAE cars. This year's stuff's a little upstairs. After 1 p.m. and we're headed back to Jules. We've walked plenty around here today. I'm gonna get in my 30 exercise minutes, so that's good. We met a 20-year-old student who has applied to Tesla to become an autopilot engineer, and he seemed really sharp. We wished him luck. Told him to come visit us at one of the meetups so we can give him a drive and let him take a drive. Told him we need autopilot engineers that actually drive the cars. In a nice way, of course, but it's very true. But when, you know, if you drive it, you're better to understand the problems and things that need fixed and holes and all of that stuff. But that was really exciting. I wish him luck. So we're on a driving tour of the older part of the campus.
You should get the X before it goes.
Yeah, we got a Model X, a new one, blacked out chrome.
Yeah.
So you're on the beta going down through here?
Yeah, and this is one of the things I really like about the beta full self-driving. So these Jersey barriers or whatever, and going straight down the middle of the lane like this, autopilot actually does a better job because it totally is oblivious to those Jersey barriers.
It's not afraid of them.
It's not. I, as a human being, I worry about those stuff, but it's just ignores them, and it actually does a better job zipping down this very narrow lane than I do. Of course, I've got both hands on the wheel for whatever reason, but I'm trusting them, knowing that it's so well about splitting the lane dead in the center, better than I am. It doesn't drift. I'm more comfortable just letting it go.
I wasn't filming back on campus because we were taking in the sights and I was spinning lots of brand new Pokestops. I've got a challenge to try to get N number on my account. And anyway, Don went through a couple of roundabouts over there.
Yeah.
And
fail on one, and the other one was little not smooth, but it was okay. But one of them, there was a pedestrian crosswalk right before you got to the roundabout, and there was a person sort of near the crosswalk, and it slammed on brakes.
Yeah, I was worried Don was going to hit that person, obviously. Saw the person and wanted to protect them.
But the person wasn't trying to cross the street.
Yep.
And I, as a human being, saw that, but the car, and plus where the car ended up stopping, had nothing to do with, they would have ran over the pedestrian. So it's like we were past the pedestrian when it decided to slam on brakes.
And then there was another pedestrian on campus that was crossing incorrectly while Don had the right of way, and you know they were going against the stop hand, and neither Don nor the car did anything about that person. Didn't see that person, but they were where they weren't supposed to be though.
Yeah, well, luckily the person was paying attention.
Yeah, paying attention, just not obeying pedestrian rules.
Right. Well, I mean, yeah. All right, I'm gonna get over. There's something coming up.
Oh wow, there's a big accident up here.
Yeah.
And I do mean big.
Yeah, lots of red lights.
So we've got people involved over here on the left, and then we've got some sort of actual, those may be people with minor damage or that stopped because they saw what happened. But
tow truck's dragging one of the things away.
Wow. It's generally 65 through here. So 1, 2, 3 fire trucks.
Yeah.
And very backed up traffic.
Yeah, luckily we're going this way.